See 7 short plays, all written by people living right in your community. The One Acts Festival is a great opportunity for you to do just that. The Allegan Community Players are helping debut these one-act plays: The Chicago King, Cold Case, The Page Master, Unexpected Endings, and The Name of the Killer is Road to Ruin, and Criminal. Shows are at the Griswold Auditorium Friday, May 16th at 7 p.m. and Saturday, May 17th at 2 and 7 p.m. Tickets are $6 at the door. For info, go to AlleganCommunityPlayers.org. This message is sponsored by Rogue Dreams, an alternative smoke shop. If you'd like to know all your options, Rogue Dreams believes in taking the time to understand your situation and giving you honest, educated answers about smoking alternatives. Rogue Dreams carries over 40 flavors of e-liquid by Kalamazoo Vapor Shop and a variety of vaporizers, vapor pens, and batteries. Find Rogue Dreams on Facebook and in Allegan on M89 just east of 113th Avenue.